All right, so about a year ago, we stopped using about a year ago, we stopped using liquid laundry detergent and switched over to sheets. And we've tried multiple different brands so far. There's a lot of different brands out there, but this is a brand that we've been working with lately, and I want to thank them for sending these out to us because the fact that this is something that I will use and I'm really excited to check out. But this is their laundry detergent sheets. So this is a fresh linen scent. It's good for up to 80 loads. So there's 80 strips in here. I'm sorry, there's 40 sheets. Each sheet has 2 strips on it. So you get 80 strips altogether. This will deep clean, no mess, save space, eco-friendly. So instead of carrying those big 5, 10, 20-pound jugs around, you could just use these instead. So the sheets tear apart. So you could do 1 sheet for small to medium loads, and then 2 sheets for a larger load. So let me open this up and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So you can see what the different size sheets look like here. So I've got to push this whole thing comes out here, I believe. Yeah. So in here, you can see you've got these different sheets and they're already separated. So you get these, each one of these, this is 1 load right here. So you use this for a large load, or you could tear this. It's perforated in the middle. You could separate it. So if you've got a small load or a medium load, you just throw one of these in there. If you've got a larger load, go and throw the whole sheet in there, or you could tear them apart and throw the sheet in there. But you get 40 of these all together, which is good for 80 smaller loads or 40 larger loads, or any mixture of those. So basically, you determine the amount of strips needed. On the front load machines, you'll place the strip into the detergent dispense tray. On top loading machines, you'll place the strip directly in the bottom of the wash drum before adding laundry. Add laundry to the washer after adding the strip, and then run the machine using your selected wash, and you're good to go. This is safe for most fabrics, gentle on skin, works with hot and cold water, and it completely dissolves. So if you're looking for a great product, Active makes a lot of great different products, cleaning things, all kinds of stuff. They make dishcloths, they make stain removers, they make coffee maker cleaners, ice machine cleaners, all these different things, dishwasher, washing machines. So I've been impressed with a lot of their different products. So if you're wanting to try some great laundry detergent sheets, definitely check these out from Active.